everybody, welcome to my video today. I have something so exciting that I am launching today with another demonstrator, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. So many of you are familiar with my simply layered pages. They look like this. They're little scrapbook layouts. I wanted to share with you, in case you have not seen them, some of the other ones that I've done. There is this one, which I just recently did. This one was really fun to do. It had this camping theme, and I liked putting that one together. This was some of our product that retired from last year. I started doing these because I love 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. Like, I love these. This can go either way. It could go this way, or it could go this way. I love these, but I don't always have time to do these types of scrapbook layouts. And so by creating these simply layered pages, I have a pile of these that I actually do have photos for. So all of my photo mats are either 4x6 or 3x4 or 4x4, so that I can just layer photos right onto them and I don't even have to trim my photos or think about it. So I've created these with that idea in mind. A lot of these are going in my kids' album because I think that they're fun for kids' albums. It's kind of some of the ones that I have designed them for have been for specific events that I have had in mind. I just got printed over 200 photos. So I am looking forward to putting a lot of these layouts together this summer. I'm putting them to use. So my friend Carrie from Crafty with Carrie loves the idea of these kits as well. And she was always saying to me, I would share them with her because she is a scrapbooker like I am. And I would share them with her and I would say, look at these. I love that I did this. And she would say, you have to sell this. Like, I want to buy this as a kit. And I would always say, no, it's too much work. I don't know. Like, I don't know if that I want to like dive into that. So finally, after her and I talking quite a bit, we decided to jump in and do this together and bring you something we're calling simply layered kits. So this is the really fun part. So we will be designing one layout every single month and one card every single month. So Carrie's going to design the card, and what you're going to want to do is there is a link in the YouTube description. There is a link on my website. You're going to want to go over to Carrie's website and check out her card for today. So she has a simply layered card that she's going to share with you. So what we're going to do is you can purchase these kits. So there are 3 different options for you. You can just purchase our exclusive video tutorials, because I'm going to do a video showing you guys how to put all of this together, showing you the dies that I've used, showing you the measurements and how everything goes together, so you get that exclusive video when you purchase our simply layered kit. Okay, so you'll get that, and then you'll get a video from her, and she is going to be sharing how she put together her card. Okay, so you can get that. That's option 1. That video is, those videos are $20. You can get option 2, which is you get the kits. So you'll get everything to make the card, and then you get all of the pieces to make the scrapbook layout except the 12 by 12 cardstock and the stamp set. So this was one of the hang-ups, and this is one of the things we had to work out, is it's really expensive to ship 12 by 12 items. So there was no way that we could offer a kit at a reasonable price shipping 12 by 12 cardstock. So if you want to just buy the kit, you'll get everything to make the card, and then you'll get all of these layering pieces except the designer paper and except the 12 by 12 cardstock to put the pieces together. So the reason we're launching with this design is because this is from the Share What You Love product line, and these products were in a bundle last month. So you may have already purchased the designer paper, and you may have already purchased the stamp set. So if you just want to get the pieces here, the doily and the die cut and the cardstock and the ribbon, you can do that and use the product you already have on hand. That's why we did that this month. So the kit itself is going to be $30. You'll get all the pieces for both of the card and the layout, and then you get the exclusive videos. If you don't have the product and you're like, but I really want to make these things that you guys are putting together, we have a suggested supply list that you can purchase, and you will get the kits for free. So we'll send you all of the pieces for both kits for free. Our suggested supply list is going to include your 12 by 12 cardstock and your designer paper. So the great thing is that we've thought this ahead through several months. So the suggested cardstock that we suggest that you purchase this month is going to work for this month's layout, and then it will work for next month's layout. And then in, a couple months, we'll suggest another pack of 12 by 12 cardstock, and we'll design some kits using that. So you won't always have to buy 12 by 12 cardstock. The other great thing is if you use the host code, I'm going to put the host code right down here. You use that host code and you make a purchase of the suggested supply items, or just a $50 order of anything you want, you're going to get these kits for free. So we've given you guys lots of options, whatever will fit for you. And again, this is something that we are going to be doing for the next few months to see how it goes. We hope that you guys are going to love this. These layouts are really fun. Again, the photo mats are going to be designed so all you have to do is put a photo on. You don't have to trim your photo. So like this right here is a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 mat, and the ribbon is on here, so all you have to do is drop in your photo, your 4 by 6 photo right there. You don't have to trim your photo. You don't have to worry about the ribbon on there attached to it. You're just going to attach it to the layout. So that's the way that those are designed. So my suggested supply list is in the YouTube description with that host code. It's also over on my website. You're going to want to go over and see the card that Carrie has designed. The thing is that Carrie and I live several hours apart, so that is why I don't have the card with me, because she designed it where she's at, and she won't have the layout because I've designed it here. So we hope that this is something that you guys love. If you have any questions, please let me know. We're so excited to launch this. This is our Simply Layered kits. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. If you guys have questions or comments, please leave them for me, and I will be back tomorrow. The timeline for how all of this will work is also on my website, so it lays it all out for you guys, okay? So thank you guys so much. I'll be back tomorrow with another project for you. Make sure you head over to my Facebook business page today, because I will be unboxing all of my goodies from the brand new catalog. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.